Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Twitter age restriction content. First, let's understand why this happened. Twitter blocks some content if your account does not meet the minimum age requirement or if your birth date is missing or incorrect. For that, open the Twitter known as X app, tap on your profile picture, then tap on security and privacy. Next, tap your account, then tap account information. You may need to enter your password. Now tap date of birth. Make sure your birth date shows that you are 18 years old or older. If it's wrong or missing, update it correctly and save the change. Twitter may limit change to your birth date. If you recently changed it, you may need to wait. Next, go back to the setting and privacy, then tap content you see. Turn on display media that may contain sensitive content. This allows age restricted images and video to appear. If you are using an iPhone and don't see this option, open Safari and go to the twitter.com. Log in and change the setting there instead. Now try reviewing the content again. This age restriction should be removed if your account meets the age requirement. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.